Everybody, welcome to my channel Learn with Harpreet. Yes, now I think you all know me very well. Harpreet ma'am is standing in front of you, and today I have brought for classes 2 and 3 mental math sheet. As I told you, every day I'll give you one mental math sheet and language sheet. So here we go with class 2 and 3 mental maths. Okay. So first question is put greater than, lesser than, or equals to sign. Okay. I told you this crocodile mouth is open always where there is a greater number. Okay. So crocodile will open its mouth there. So this is 6, 9, 69. This is 9, 6, 96. Now you tell me 69 comes first or 96 is bigger. Which is bigger? 96 is bigger than 69. So the crocodile will open its mouth to 96. Okay. Now this is 201. This is 210. Which is bigger? 210 is bigger. So crocodile is going to open its mouth here. Now this is, we always in maths keep in mind that just keep a rough notebook and a pencil with you, because we have to do some problem solutions in our rough notebooks. So here, like, we need the solving. 10 plus 10 plus 10. There are 3 tens on the left hand side. That makes 10 plus 10 is 20 plus 10 is 30. That means here you get 30. Okay. Here it is 10 multiplied by 3. That is multiplication. 10 threes is 30. Yes. So here is 30, right hand side, here is 30. That means both are equal. So equals to sign will come. 7 plus 5. Now just tell me, what is 7 plus 5? Yes, it is 12. So right hand side we get 12. Here 15, subtraction 2. 15 minus 2. That will give you 13. So out of 12 and 13, which one is smaller? Which one is smaller? 12 is smaller and 13 is bigger. So the crocodile sign will open its mouth on 13. 63 plus 5. This becomes 68. Okay. This is 63 plus 5. This again becomes 68. So 68 and 68 are equal. Okay. Come here. 3 tens plus 5 ones. That makes 5 in ones place and 3 in tens place, 35. Here are 5 tens and 3 ones. So here is 35. Here is 53. So which one is greater? 53. So crocodile is saying, open my mouth on 53. Now this is 6 plus 6 plus 6. 3 times we add 6 or we multiply 6 with 3 is the same thing, because multiplication is the repeated addition. Yes. So 6 plus 6 plus 6, I can easily do in my mind 6 multiplied 3, that is 18. Here 5, 5, 5, 5. Either I add 5 4 times or I multiply 5 with 4 is the same thing. So I will get 5 4s are 20. Or if you add 5 4 times, you will get 20. So out of 18 and 20, which is bigger? 20 is bigger. So crocodile is saying, open my mouth on 20 side. Okay. Now this is 2 multiplied 8, that is 2 8s are 16. This is 5 3s are 15. Now 16 is bigger, 15 is smaller. So crocodile will face its mouth, open its mouth towards 16. Now this is 210 it is written in the number names. So convert it into the numeral 210. This is 200 in hundreds place and 9 in which place? 9 is in ones place and 1. Okay. This will become 200. Now here I told you 200 is in hundreds place. This 2 and 9 is in ones place and 1 is also in ones place. So when we add this, we will get again 210. We will get what? 210. So this 210 and 210 makes them equal. Now this is what 32 written in number names. 4 8s are 32 written in written in numerals. So here also 32, here also 32, both are equal. So like this we can solve this type of questions. Now this is very simple. Question number 2. One more than concept and one less than concept. This concept is simply successor and predecessor. I've told you in one of my videos that in successor means one more than, one step ahead, one next. Okay. 1 less than means predecessor. That means we have to subtract 1. That is a predecessor. So 1 more than 216 will be, that means we add 6. In 6 you will add 1, that will become 7. 217 will be the successor, that is more than. 1 less than 310. Now if we want less than, either you subtract from 310 1, either you do the subtraction, or you understand that before 0, 9 will come in 1's place, and in 10's place, what will come? In 10's place 0 will come. 309. Either you subtract it or you can do it manually. 1 more than 642 is what? We'll see the 1's place. We will increase it by 1. 643. Okay. 1 less than 800 is, either you do 800 minus 1, you will get 997, or you can understand at the place of 0 converts into 9. 0 will change into 9, and 1 will be, here will be less. Here we will do 8 minus 1, that is 7. So this is 1 less than 505. 1 less than when you will do, that means again minus 1. You can subtract it in your rough notebook, or you can change the 1's place. Less than 1 is means you can subtract 1 from 1's place, and rest remains the same, that is 504. So this was today's mental math sheet. Every day we will get a mental math sheet, because every day mental maths is important to do, necessary to do. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.